Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new YouTuber on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. Today's video title is how to on the keypad tone sound in Samsung Galaxy J2. So let us start our video. Firstly, click the setting icon in your phone and swipe up more and click the sound and notification bar. And here you will see the option of ringtone and sound. Click on that option and swipe up, and here you will see the keyboard sound. Activate this sound. It means this option play a sound when the Samsung keyboard is tapped. It means here you will see if I will tap any word or any keyboard, here you will see it will produce a sound. That sound is called the keypad tone sound. I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. If you want to get any information about any function, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.